Hey everyone, hope you're having a kick-ass day. Thanks for joining me for another video. What's going on? What's that noise? What's going on here? Who is this? Who is this?
Not much left now. There it goes. Whew, sweating already.
Check out those roots, John Perry. All right, so what we're gonna do, we got DIY Dad here, and we got Buddy Mike over there. The plan is to raise this piece of concrete. It's low towards the house, and so we're gonna see if we can raise it with some jacks and some wood and some chains. We're gonna raise it with our wood. Well, I was prepared, ready to go, but now here's the first trip of the day. So since I'm disabled, I am the invalid one. You know, pain meds wore off enough right now. I can make the short drive to go exchange this clamp. I was all ready with the clamp and it broke. So, gotta go get a new one. So I ran to the store and it turns out they might not even need it because they're already, you know, lifting part of this up.
Get this over.
So essentially we're using the car jack to lift up the concrete. Then we'll make sure it's all level, has a good slope, and then we'll put some stuff underneath there to make sure it doesn't sink in the future.
Oh, we're gonna.
Ramen.
As you crush the GoPro.
Right? Hey, get back to work. So the yard hasn't been mowed in at least 2 weeks. It's how long it's been? Almost 2 weeks since I had my fusion surgery. Yeah, you did. Nice work. So be sure to check out DIY Dad. I'll put a link in the description below. Top-notch guy right there, you know. Coming, you know, us lawn tubers, we gotta stick together, right? Triple burger. JD's. Good stuff. All right, so I ate enough burgers, Vince. That's enough now, right? So good.